Alright guys, One Hoof, the helicopter guy, working on finishing up the assembly of my E-Flite Carbon Z Cessna 150T. So these are the wing struts, and it's pretty straightforward here. It's just a matter of putting a bolt through and putting a nut on this side. This is pretty innovative how E-Flite did this. I actually do like the way they did this. So those are locking nuts, and they're nice and snug. So this is nice because the wings are removable, because it is 2.1 meters wide, so that's not going to fit in my truck. It definitely won't fit into someone's car. And that other wing up here. This is just a massive airplane. And I put the wings on just to make sure that these are facing the right direction, following that concept I had mentioned as far as using carpentry. Measure twice, cut once. So I don't know why that's not going through there. Something's up with this. Can't get that out. It looks aligned. Try it with this one. Why is that not going through there? It doesn't make any sense. Alright, there it goes. That one's just being difficult. And these are lock nuts. Okay. It's kind of cool because the other side has kind of like I guess that's a hexagonal shape. It's nice and tight. So the wing struts are installed, and really the final step is just to install the propeller. And I checked into that. I found out, I mean, this is kind of ambiguous because the directions don't really say. I've shown you on the earlier video. Looks like it's facing that way, but there's no way to really tell 100%. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the propeller on next video.